Here are the directions for the Topic 14 free response test. Number 1. Measure the length or height. Circle your estimate for weight or capacity. So on number 1, there is 2 different sections here I want to point out. You have length. If you were to use the paper clip here, that big paper clip like we usually measure with, how long would that barrette be? And then you would write your answer here. Okay? If you were to weigh that barrette, would the weight be more than a pound or less than a pound? So that's what you would circle there. Is it more than 1 pound or less than a pound? Okay, same thing down here for the measuring cup. How high would the measuring cup be if you used paper clips? And would that measuring cup hold more than a cup or less than a cup? Number 3, how many cups of rice can the jar hold? So here's our jar here. How many of these cups would you fill of rice? Pour in here. How many cups would it take to fill that bigger jar of rice? Okay. Number 4, circle the object that weighs more. Number 5, circle the object that weighs less. Number 6, circle the object that holds the most. That looks like it's a fish aquarium or a bucket that you would use in a sandbox. Number 7, circle the object that holds the least. That looks like a little cup that you might put sugar in, and then that looks like a big mixing bowl to me. When you're ready, turn over to the back. Number 8. About how much does each object hold? Okay, so on number 8, it looks like he is carrying a gas can that you may put gas in for a lawnmower. Would that hold about 2 liters? Remember, liters are about the size of a water bottle, but a little bit bigger. Or would it hold about 15 liters? Number 9. That it looks like a big pot that you would cook spaghetti in. Would that hold 8 quarts or 40 quarts? And remember, quarts are about the size of a glass jar of pickles, okay? And then number 10, your soup can. Would that hold 2 pints, about the size of your milk carton at lunch, or would it hold about 20 pints? Number 11, about how much does the object weigh? Does the turkey weigh 12 ounces or 12 pounds? And number 12, draw something that weighs 1 gram. Draw something that weighs 1 kilogram. Don't forget to circle the one that weighs more, okay? So think really hard what we talked about, what weighs about a gram, and we mentioned it in the Topic 14 booklet test, and what would weigh a kilogram, okay? And then circle which one that would weigh more. And number 13, name 3 objects that weigh more than a kilogram. So look at your picture that you drew right here and think about what would weigh more than that picture that you drew that weighs a kilogram, okay? When you are finished, please place this test on the yellow table. Make sure you answered each question and your name is on the front. And then it will be just about time to go to recess, okay? All right, thank you.